He hangs upside down in the early morning apricot light and weaves like the first finch this feather-light verse, a tabernacle which his critic will refuse once or twice before she starts brooding the miracle of the egg. Nature has a unique way of reminding us of the age-old instinct that flows through its veins, in the rivers traversing seaward, in towering mountains reaching the clouds, in fertile valleys stretching as far as the eye can see, always with an open hand, ready to give. Indeed, nature has its own way of reminding us that we are not alone, that we, much like the seemingly fragile finch, are able to achieve so much so long as we understand our role and fulfill it with passion. To live with an open hand is not noble, it's clever, because the hand that is closed cannot receive. It's a reciprocal blessing. Give graciously and receive thankfully. Our business's name is Laeveld Agrochem. It's an agribusiness. It's a brand. It's a network of people and technology. And above all, it's a consciousness. We do what we do because we want to do nothing else. Because there's no greater privilege than making a small contribution to our country's future on a daily basis. Yes, our country's future. For us, that's the only way to look at it, because we're here to stay. We are nesting, just like every agri-producer who calls South Africa his or her home, from niche farmers to mega farmers. We are together in this thing, with all its challenges and shortcomings, with every day's small victories, with all its beauty. World-class technology, ongoing scientific research in terms of plant feeding and crop protection, inclusive of Agri-Technovation's continuous innovation, soil analyses by highly qualified experts, exceptional distribution channels for all our products, with 66 depots and 110 accomplished agents countrywide, excellent prices based on our economies of scale, and decades of experience. This is our infantry. But it's the partnerships that glue us together into a united force. We get our inspiration from nature, of which man is an essential part, and serve the producers, our farmers, who ensure our country's food security. And we give all the recognition to the big hand, who watches so delicately over each of us. Thank you. Laeveld Agrochem, together cultivating your success.